there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. I have this hair mask in my hair and I figured that I could actually be helpful this Halloween season. So I'm going to show you something that I do when I do Halloween makeup to color my face in various colors without using face paint, because I've used face paint in the past and yeah, it doesn't look that great. Like it kind of absorbs into my pores, it just looks weird and fades throughout the day, and this method that I do, I feel like it's a lot better. Before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and let's get started with the actual method. Okay, so it's going to be pretty basic. If you've watched my mermaid tutorial from last year, you probably already know what I'm talking about. The method basically just involves scraping eyeshadow into foundation, and that's it. But let me show you exactly how I do it. So I'm going to pick up my foundation. This is the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This is amazing, by the way. I picked a shade that's a little bit too light for me, but yeah. And I'm going to scrape a little bit of eyeshadow into this. I think I'm going to do purple or green, but you can basically do whatever color that you want. You need an eyeshadow in that color, so it works. But I mean, you can do like avatar makeup or Smurf makeup, let's say, with using blue or purple. I don't know what you can do with purple, but yeah, there are stuff that you can do with purple. Let me just scrape a little bit of this purple. I'm going to use, this is a sample from a primer. Just going to scrape that, just like that. Scrape it off. And I will add that to my foundation on my hand. So this is how it looks like. And let me just mix that. You can basically control how intense you want the color to be. As you can see, I've added just a little bit of purple and it looks kind of like a pastel purple, but you can of course do it more intense if you want to. Oh, I think I'm going to leave it like this. It's quite nice. It's a nice color. And you can see it's basically just foundation. So it acts like a foundation, it lasts as well as a foundation does. Of course you gotta be careful to cover like the ears, neck, every visible part of your skin basically. But just going to blend that. Yeah, and I love that it wears nicely and just looks okay on the skin, you know? Like I've mentioned, I had a lot of trouble with face paint, well, just looking weird. So I mean, I feel like a trick like this could potentially like help you just do a more simple makeup look. If you have, I don't know, maybe like a demon, just do a red face and a smoky eye and you're done. I don't know what you can do with this purple though. And you can do the same thing with concealer. Let's say that you don't want to add foundation on your under eyes, but I mean, it works. And you can be like a happy Smurf. That's basically everything. I hope this helps you just figure out what you want to do for Halloween. For example, this would work with a black smoky eye and a black lip. You maybe add some horns and stuff and just you're out the door. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. And again, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Hopefully I will do a full Halloween look. Probably some last minute looks. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!